Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the recycle bin on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. Now, in order to find the recycle bin, first thing you want to go ahead and swipe up or find your My Files app. This should be under the Samsung folder. It might be anywhere. You can also search for it. Now, once you go to My Files, it's going to list all of your files. But if you go down a little bit further under the utility section, it's going to have a trash option, which is basically your recycle bin. So if you tap on it, it's going to show you your trashed basic items that you have, such as files, photos, videos, documents, music, whatever you deleted will be there, and you can recover it by selecting it. So if you want to recover something, you can go ahead and do that and restore, and it's going to put it back to wherever it was deleted from. In my case, it was a photo, so it retrieved it from there. So that's going to be one place to look at it. Now, in some scenario, another place to look at it, if you're looking for the recycle bin, it's going to be your gallery app. In the gallery app, you're going to click on the menu over here, and there's also the trash there as well that you can access this from and see things like photos and videos that were deleted and removed to the recycle bin. And again, to recover it, you'd select it and then click on restore, and it'll restore it back to your gallery. So that's how you find it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.